Welcome again to Budget with Brian. First of all, I want to say a very, very big thanks for all the support we got about my moan about YouTube's change of policy. It really was heartfelt and indicates that you'd like to see more budget, and so I'm going to carry on. What I'd like though is some ideas, perhaps what you'd like to see as the content of Budget with Brian. What you'd like to see demonstrated. Would you like them to be longer, shorter? As you know, one of the things I do is shoot straight from the hip. You know, it's not rehearsed, so you're getting my true thoughts. But you let me know what you think we should be doing. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian, but again, thank you very, very much for all the support that we got. And don't forget, it's all about subscriptions, so you subscribe.